Hey, CWDT here. Today we're going to look at objects in Smart Notebook. Let's go take a look.
So in the Tools panel, I'm going to select a couple of these things just to watch how they work. When we click on an object, we have three things to choose from. One is the rotation handle, one is the resize handle, and the other is the menu arrow. In the menu arrow, we have clone, cut, copy, paste, delete. Clone means it'll just make a copy and a paste for you in one motion, which is kind of handy. You can also go to infinite cloner, which makes that original one, anytime you pull from it, you're going to get a new object. Doesn't happen if you touch one of the other objects though. If you want to get rid of it, click on where the menu arrow was and uncheck Infinity Cloner. We can lock it in place, allow only vertical moves, allow only horizontal moves, allow movement but not size change, allow movement, not size change, and rotation. You can link it to a tool like a pen. So anytime you click on it, it opens the pen tool and you're ready to draw. That's also an object that I can click. You'll notice when I click the menu arrow, I get some different things. It's trying to recognize my handwriting, which is another video. We still have the clone, the infinite clone. We have the lock in place. Link to a tool, that's the one I just did. You can clone it and you can flip it and make nice reflections very easily. And ask them to place the reflection line, something like that. You can also order it. So if I have this heart and I want it to be behind this arrow, what I'm going to do is go down to order and I'm bringing the heart backwards. And now the ray is on top of it. I can link it to a web page, a page in this file. A file on this computer I wouldn't recommend because eventually you'll have a different computer, and current attachments to that Smart Notebook. You can also link sounds you have pre-recorded, or you can record right in Smart Notebook. You can also go to properties and once again look at fill, effects, line style, and object animation. You'll notice when I select the text object, my options are a little bit different. Check spelling is there. Obviously that's not there in the others, but you'll also see many of the same tools that'll do the same things. I also find it helpful to know that if you click here in the middle of this octagon, I keep clicking and nothing's happening. Just a lined object. You actually have to click on the edges of the object to get the menu arrow to show up. And then you once again see all the different things. And in an object like this, you can see I can show and hide vertices and angles and side lengths as well, which is kind of handy. That's it this time. So that's just a quick overview on what you can do with objects in Smart Notebook. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. See ya.